Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about round robin scheduling algorithm. In priority scheduling algorithm, we are executing the process which has the highest priority. But in round robin algorithm, there is a time quantum. CPU executes first process until the time quantum completes, or if the process execution is completed before the time quantum, then it executes the next process. Like that, it completes one cycle for all the processes. That means it gives a chance to every process to enter into the CPU first. After that, in the second cycle, it starts from the first process and completes all the processes in the ready queue. For example, there are four processes: P1, P2, P3, P4, and burst time 10, 5, 6, 12, and let us consider the time quantum as 2 milliseconds. Now at t equals to 0, all these are in the ready queue with burst times 10, 5 and 6, 12. Now P1 enters into the execution and completes the execution up to 2 milliseconds. Now at t equals to 12, the process with P1 8 milliseconds, P2 5 milliseconds, P3 6 milliseconds, P4 12 milliseconds. Now P2 will execute, means P1, P2, 0, 2, 4. Now at t equals to 4 milliseconds, P1 with 8 milliseconds, P2 with 3 milliseconds, P3 with 6 milliseconds, P4 with 12 milliseconds. Now P3 will execute only 2 milliseconds, and at t equals to 6 milliseconds, P1 8, P2 3, P3 6, P4 12, P3 4 milliseconds. Now P4 starts execution. P1, P2, P3, P4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. At t equals to 8, P1 with 8, P2 with 3, P3 with 4, P4 with 10. Now here the first cycle was completed. That means P1, P2, P3, P4 has given a chance. Now P1 again starts execution, and now this is the Gantt chart. Here, for calculating average waiting time, we have to calculate the individual waiting times of the process which are in the ready queue. Now P1 waits 0 milliseconds at starting, but it waits 6 milliseconds, that is from 2 milliseconds to 8 milliseconds it waits, and 10 milliseconds to 16 milliseconds again 6 milliseconds, and from 18 milliseconds to 21 milliseconds 3 milliseconds, and 23 to 25. P1 waits total of 12, 15, 17 milliseconds, and P2 at start waits 2 milliseconds, and from 4 to 10 6 milliseconds, and from 12 to 18 6 milliseconds, and from that's it. After 19 it completes the execution. That means 12 plus 2 14. Like this, P4 waits 15 milliseconds and P4 waits 12, 19, 21 milliseconds. The average waiting time equals to 17 plus 15 plus 14 plus 21 divided by 4, that equals to 32,
15,
46,
16,
67 divided by 4,
16,
64, so 64,
no, yeah,
16.8. This is